Welcome students to this week's spelling video. This is one of our last videos, so enjoy and learn. All right, first of all, we need to make sure that we have all of our needed equipment. You need a pair of scissors. You need a sharpened pencil. Thank you, Tess, for making the pencil grip for me. You need your spelling bag to put your words in, spelling journal, and of course, your spelling words. This week we are working with prefixes again, but the prefixes are ones that you're pretty familiar with. Una as in unicycle, bi as in bicycle, tri as in tricycle, and cent as in century. So here are the words. In case you left your spelling words at home, you may pause the video and make your own. There's no reason why you can't do this. Also remember that if you don't have your spelling notebook, please just write on some other form of paper. All right, let's get cutting these words out. And I am actually going to pause the video and cut these out. You guys know what to do. So when you're ready, turn it back on and we'll get sorting. Okay, we are back. Now make sure you have your spelling journal. We need to write the date. So you put today's date, whatever that may be. And also this is Unit 6, Week 4. See, we are almost done. Wow, this has been crazy. Feels like this year has gone by so quickly since January. All right, so we are doing the prefixes. And here are those prefixes. We are doing una, bi, tri, and cent. All right. So, some of the common prefixes, such as these, stand for numbers. So we'll be talking about that as we write them down. So, first one we're going to write down is una. Okay. And that stands for 1. And you may already know this, but still listen and learn. Okay, then we have bi, and that means 2. Then we have tri, and that means 3. Then I'm going to go clear down here because there's quite a few words that fit under each of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to go down 10 lines. And then we have our last one, cent. Does anybody know what cent means? It does not mean 4. Yes, it means 100. 100. Most of you know as in century. And that's a century is 100 years. Okay, so when we talk about this, we are going to just grab one word. And here is a UN word worm. All right, so we have uniform. So we're going to write this. Let's say it and spell it first. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Let's write that down. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Let's underline that prefix. So if that stands for 1, what does uniform mean? Uniform means one form or one style of clothing. Because if you have a uniform that you wear, it's just one style of clothing, okay? Or one form. All right, nice. Let's put that one aside. Okay, then we have bi. And a little bit ago, I told you bicycle, but we're going to try another word. Let's go with bi-weekly. Let's say that together. Ready, go. Bi-weekly, and spell it together. B-I-W-E-E-K-L-Y. Let's write that down. B-I-W-E-E-K-L-Y. Underline bi. So what does bi-weekly mean? Twice a week. 2 times a week. So if we did vocabulary bi-weekly, we would either do it every other week or we would do it 2 times during the week. Bi-weekly, so every 2 weeks type thing. All right. Let's go and do their next one. Let's do try, and we did tricycle, but let's go to another word, triangle. Everybody say it, triangle. Let's spell it, Triangle, triangle. Triangle, try, underline that. Triangle, you know what a triangle is. How many sides does a triangle have? You're right, 3. Okay, that's pretty easy. All right, let's go for cent. And we did century. Century, Century. Let's write that. Century. Let's underline cent, which means 100 years. Century. So recognizing these prefixes and knowing their meanings will help you read words and determine their meanings, just like in everything that we do. So not only are we becoming better spellers, we're becoming better writers, readers, and the comprehension is going to come when we read these words because we will understand what the prefixes mean. That's the most important thing. Now, you will also have a few oddball words. And the oddball words don't fit this rule of the prefixes, any of those. Plus, they are usually the review words, so those won't be hard for you either. This week, this spelling lesson is short. I'm sure that makes you very sad. So, finish writing all of your words down that start with all the prefixes. Make sure you're understanding what you're writing. Please write neatly. Please get it done. Good luck. Have fun. See you at school.